Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aksh Sharma Animal Lover. Today I will tell you about some champion birds. First is Arctic tern. It is the longest distance flying bird from Arctic Circle to reach the Antarctic pack ice. Second is peregrine falcon. It is the fastest bird. Third is turkey vulture. It has the keenest sense of smell. Then fourth is mallee fowl. It is the largest nesting bird of all. Fifth is Antarctic penguin. It dives the deepest in water. Sixth is African grey parrot. It is the talkative and the most intelligent bird. Seventh is albatross. It is the bird with the longest wingspan. Then eighth is Australian pelican. It is the bird with the longest beak. And the ninth is the ostrich. It laid the largest egg. So thank you friends to watch my video. Like my video, subscribe my channel and comment my video. Thank you.